What is up, you guys? In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a double exposure in just a few seconds using Adobe Photoshop. All right, guys, so the first thing you need to do is convert your image into black and white. I have a black and white image here. I'm just silhouetting my image using the magic wand. Once I have that selected, I click on select mask. Once I have that, make some adjustment in there. If you need to, click OK, then invert the image, the selection to Command-Shift-I, and then just duplicate that silhouette image. And then once you have that, bring your image, your second image, and just like clip mask it and put the blending mode into screen. Then just add a layer mask and then select your brush. Make sure you have your foreground in black and then start painting around the image just to delete some of those details and to bring those details from the back image. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching.